Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI like a deep research agent. So first of all, what you have to do is go to perplexity.ai website and you have to sign in with your account. Either you can sign in with your Google account or create with your email address. Now, once you're landed on this dashboard or the home page, you'll see this kind of interface where you can ask anything, and it also shows suggestions just like Google, but it doesn't work like Google. It works like ChatGPT, like an AI agent. What you have to do is you have some option called auto. From here you can select to pro, to the reasoning, to deep research. Switch from auto to deep research in order if you want to use the Perplexity like a deep research agent. So once you click on this deep research, it will help you to, and then if you ask anything, it will give you the deep research for that specific question or the query that you have asked. The second thing is the spaces. In the spaces section, you can upload your documents and Perplexity will answer detailed questions. If you have some documents, some complex documents which you want to research but you cannot understand the context of these documents, so what you have to do is you can create a space and upload those documents into the Perplexity AI, and it will convert complex material into easy to understand formats like FAQs or briefing docs. That's simply how you can use Perplexity AI like a deep research agent. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.